This is Pixel 3a. The smartphone launched May 2019. After more than 2.5 years, this phone is still worth it in 2022. Find out in this video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. So at first talk about the phone build quality. The smartphone built with glass in the front and plastic back and plastic frame. The smartphone comes with 5.6-inch OLED display with resolution 1080 into 2220 pixel with 441 ppi density, and this is 75% skin to body ratio, and the phone also comes with stereo speaker. So overall the smartphone display is so good. So now talk about the OS. Right now the smartphone running Android 12 and the phone comes with Snapdragon 670 CPU using octa-core 2x2 GHz and GPU using Adreno 615, and the phone comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant. So now talk about the performance. After more than 2.5 years, the smartphone performance is still pretty well. All the app opening and closing speed so good, and you can easily play any type of game in a medium graphics. Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG you also play in a medium graphics. So overall the smartphone performance is decent. So let's move on the camera section. The smartphone comes with single 12.2 megapixel main lens with 1.8 aperture with dual flash. And the front is come with 8 megapixel selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. Main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120 fps slow-mo video with EIS, and the phone video quality is so good. Next, talk about the security. The smartphone comes with rear fingerprint scanner in the back, which is very fast and secure, and the phone comes with 3000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charger. So if you are not a heavy user, you can get almost 1 day battery backup. So now the question is, Pixel 3a is still worth it in 2022? Definitely the smartphone is still worth it in 2022, because if your budget is so low and you want to use any Pixel device, so you definitely buy Pixel 3a, because the smartphone comes with stock Android with Android 12, and the phone also comes with stereo speaker, Super AMOLED display and excellent camera. So overall the smartphone definitely worth it in 2022. So this is all about Pixel 3a 2022 full review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. See you to another video. Allah Hafiz.